Welcome to the Do and Do Little. Today we're doing a makeup and wig tutorial inspired by Whitney Huston. That's Gray, that's me. Today's theme is how will I know if Sensational fits me? This is Sensational's Empress Lace Wig. It has a lace front edge and a deep part. She's going to show you all that. It's a nice little curly, approximately 12 inch curly haired wig. She's showing you the elastic straps in the back to tighten it up. The lace in the front. There's 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back. It's very breathable. I'm not really sure if it's that big head friendly, but we'll give it a go. Very deep part and some baby hairs. I'll say that part's about 5 inches, and it's a side part. Here we go. It's moisturizing her face. The moisturizer's pretty thick. Primer time. Getting it in pretty good. Now we're starting with those eyebrows. If you watched previous videos, you know she's got a thing about getting them eyebrows. She will do them over and over again. It's eyebrow gel in a dark brown color. I was messing with the camera, trying to get her centered. She's using a spoolie to straighten out those eyebrow hairs. Putting on some more gel, filling in her sparse areas. Now she's going to contour out her eyebrows so that they look pretty crisp and sharp. A lot of this is self-explanatory, but I'll jump in from time to time to give it a little explanation. Foundation. She uses black Radiance, but most of that is down in the description box below. I'll even try to add where you can find it at a reasonable price. Yes, we're using drugstore makeup. Trying to give her eyes a little pop so they look sunny. Giving some brightness to her forehead, her nose, and her upper lip. Oh, we both forgot the chin. That's for contouring. Now she's blending it all out. See, gives her a pop of color under her eyes, brightens them all up. If she ever finishes blending, cocktail time. Guess I made it a little strong. Woo! Here's the contouring. Giving her face some definition. Contouring her nose. Now blending that all in. She decided a sponge would blend it in better than the brush. And we use e.l.f. brushes. Having another cocktail. She's used to the taste now. Now she's adding some eyeshadow, pointing out the color that she intends on using. That's the look we're going for. We found it under Pinterest. We decided we're gonna do a new makeup look each and every time. Any of you guys are interested, you can always comment down below what look you might want to see or what colors you might want to see. That's her checking out the picture, see if she can replicate it. Making sure she gets that pigment in there. Giving you a second look at the eye. It felt as though this was difficult. She's doing that intense dark, I believe it's black that that picture had. We tried it first with cream blushes. Cream eyeshadow. Didn't work that well over top of the red, so we went to powder. Takes a steady hand to get that into the crease and above the upper lid so that you see it, because she has large eyes which tend to hide that cut crease. Now a little eyeliner. Okay, a lot of eyeliner. She's blending that eyeliner in and putting more red, and she's putting I think she's taking the eyeliner all the way to her tear ducts. That's where she's putting the shimmer to brighten up that area in her tear ducts. Putting a little powder. Outlining her lips. I believe that color is called chocolate. Adding some lipstick. Some gloss. Making them lips pucker. Brushing off the powder. The added eyelashes off camera. Adding some blush. Oh, yep, more blush. Little highlight. Blending that in so it isn't such a stark line. Adding some to the tip of her nose, above her lip, and the bridge of her nose. I believe she's done with the makeup. How'd that look? Now just spraying her face to let all that stuff blend in. Does it match? Gave it her best try. Now it's the wig's turn. It's a cute little wig. Nice little curly bob with her deep right side part. Not much to do here. Taking a little bit of those baby hairs and whipping them up. The wig was pretty tight on her head, so we didn't put it down with any type of adhesive. I'm cutting some of the hair to frame her face a little better. Evening it up some. Yeah, got my handy dandy t-shirt straight out the borough. And we're done. That's our look. What's it remind you of? Does it not remind you of Whitney Houston? I think it's cute. Now, we tried to match her t-shirt. Hug life. Everybody needs a hug now and then. Aren't they cute? Like, comment, and subscribe. Love you, bye. Until the next time.